How to buy Lilo token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 17 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trending number 22 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, we need to go to Rarium, connect your wallet first. I will use the Bitget wallet. After you connect your wallet to Rarium, if you don't see your token here, as you can see, go back to this token page on the screener. You can copy the token address from here, go back to Rarium, click here, and paste the token address in the search. You will be able to see it here. Click on Add Token and click on your token again to be able to see it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive the token. After that, click on more info. Make sure to read all that information here. And if you are ready to go, click on swap, and a pop-up will appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Lilo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.